You too. It's your boy Cash coming at y'all with another video. So yo, in this video, your boy got a review for y'all. Yep, your boy got a review. So this company reached out to me named Durag Wave. They sent your boy some products in this good old package right here. Alright, so after the intro, we gonna go ahead and crack this bad boy open and I'm gonna show y'all what they sent me. Y'all don't wanna miss this. Stay tuned.
These niggas taking up so much space, so much time. Fuck out of here, man. My team got next. What you talking about?
Time is up. Tell your man stop crying, he ain't hot as us. If them bands keep coming, we gon' pile it up. Took a real nigga test, you ain't make the cut. Wave on him. Time is up. Tell your man stop crying, he ain't hot as us. If the bands keep coming, we gon' pile it up. Took a real nigga test, you ain't make the cut. Wave on him. Wave on him. Wave on him. Wave on him. I said wave on him. Wave on him. Yo, wave on him. It's a nigga bigger. Who do you figure? Do it like.
So I already got the package opened up. Alright. So here's the package right here. We got it slit. And we just gonna get ahead and go through the bag real quick. I think it's about 3 items in here. We gonna get ahead and go through the bag and see what they sent you for. So here's the first product right here. Alright. The Champion Durag by Durag Wave. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, off top, this Durag feels like high quality. Man. Wow. I honestly did not expect this. The quality of this Durag is fire. It's fire. It's fire, y'all. String length. Strings are pretty long. Alright. But let's get ahead and turn this bad boy on. The stitching. Alright, this is the inside. It is a silky Durag. It is silky, but this is high quality. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that on there like this. Peel it back. Grab the strings like this. It is very stretchy. The material is very stretchy, which I like that. This Durag would not be tearing. Okay. We're gonna get the flatten those strings out. We're gonna do the other one. The strings are very stretchy, as y'all can see from the back. Yeah. So your boy got on the Champion Durag, you know what I'm saying? Out here doing it, doing big things, you know what I'm saying? Yo, this is dope. This, honestly, this is probably the best Durag, and I'm not just saying this. This is probably the best Durag I ever put on my head in my life. All right, and the reason I say that is because the fabric of it is very stretchy, but it's still silky. You know what I'm saying? So I think this Durag is probably real durable. When you go up on duragwave.com, they have Durags that range from I think as far as $10 up to, they have some special silkies that's about $13. They got different price Durags. They got some flower designs ones that are a little bit more expensive. They have some silkies. They even have some bundle deals for you. So you could go ahead and go up there, check the website out, get y'all some of these Durags right here. This one is definitely dope. I like this. Yeah, so go on duragwave.com and get ahead and find the silkies, all right? So next, let's go ahead and go into the velvet Durags and see what that's looking like. But the silk one, they already got me sold, all right? So we got the velvet Durag here. All right, so with the velvet Durag, we're gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy open. Let's see what it's looking like. All right, open that up. All right. This velvet Durag is similar to all the other velvet Durags that I've seen and the ones that I currently own. I don't see nothing special about this particular velvet Durag. But we gonna go ahead and try it on, see what the string length is, and how I feel on my head. Go ahead and line that up. The strings are very wide. On most velvet do-rags, they are, okay? So your boy got the velvet do-rag on, you know what I'm saying? Typical velvet do-rag. I did a review on the main velvet do-rags. I don't really see nothing different. The strings are long on these do-rags. The texture is velvet, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, y'all go ahead and go up on duragwave.com. I'll leave a link in the description box. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and get into the brush, the Durag Wave brush. All right, so we got the Durag Wave brush here. Right here, so we're gonna go ahead and open this. We're gonna go ahead and open up the Durag Wave brush and see what it's like. Looks like a typical curve brush. How you open this thing? It's crazy. All right, so the way you open it is you wanna rip the sticker. So we rip the sticker. See where the package is together. There we go. And we go ahead and rip it open. Boom. And the do-rag to slide out of the plastic, like so. All right, boom. All right, so this is a medium brush right here. This is your typical curved brush, all right? Navy blue brush, curve. Supposed to be 100% ball bristle. It is a medium. It feels like a true medium. This brush definitely feels like a true medium, all right? First thing I can tell off that, one of my recommendations that I can make on this brush is put your logo on the brush. Put your logo on the brush. This is just a plain curved brush, painted navy blue, and this could be anybody brush, you know what I'm saying? Same kind of brush as the 360 wave process brush, same brush as the CQP brush, they all the same brush, all right? So let me grab a CQP and a 360 wave process so we can see how they compare. All right, so your boy got a couple of brushes, all right? These are all curved brushes, and all of these curved brushes are by different companies, okay? They're all pretty much the same brush, okay? As you can see with these brushes, they all have the same indent on the side, so your fingers can fit between the brush to make it comfortable for you to be able to brush your hair, okay? They all curve just about the same, all right? The gray one right here on the top is a Torino Pro brush, okay? The gold one on the bottom is a 360 wave process brush, okay? This black brush is a CQP Onyx brush, okay? And the blue one, of course, the Durag Wave. All of these brushes to me are the same brush. I mean, this is a soft, that's a medium, that's a premium medium, and this is a true medium, okay? But the design of the brush, the curve of the brush is all the same, all right? The only difference is on the Durag Wave brush, they have not implemented a logo, imprint, sticker, or anything on a brush, okay? All these brushes, 360 wave process has a logo on there, okay? Torino Pro have their logo on there. And of course, Crown Quality Products, CQP, have their logo on there, all right? So Durag Wave, that's my recommendation for y'all. Put a logo, a stamp of approval on y'all brush so people know what they buying, all right? So people know what they getting, and it'll also help y'all brushes to stand out, all right? But if y'all like this video, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe, man. And go check their site out. The one thing that definitely impressed me, Champion Durag right here is definitely worth purchasing. I didn't actually see the Champion one on the website, but the texture of it is very stretchy. The material, look at this. The material is very stretchy. Very stretchy. The strings are very long and they stretch, as you can see, look. It's almost like elastic, all right? The material is almost like elastic, and it does have a silky material in the inside, all right? I'm really impressed with the silky rag, with that do-rag that they sent me right there, All right. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy Cash. Peace.
Wave on 'em, wave on 'em, wave on 'em, wave, nigga, wave on 'em. I said, wave on 'em, yo, wave on 'em. It's a nigga bigger who